Hey there my peeps, Grammy Tee from Grammy Tee Knows. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change out a background in Canva. So we're going to bring in this image right here. And we're just going to click on it and let it come into the canvas. And we're going to put them in this background right here. So we're just going to drop that in behind them. Then we're going to come back to the image, click on the image, come up to edit photo, and then come right here on the left to background remover and click on that. Canva just did the heavy lifting for you. You didn't have to do anything. You just need to position your group into the image and there's your new background, and it's just that quickly. So now what you would do is hit share and come right here to download. Choose your format. Always make sure you choose the format that you want to save it in. And next you come right here to choose the image you want to download. Check done. Download. Then it downloads onto your computer. And then you click here to open it up. And that's your image. You have just changed out a background just that quickly in Canva. I hope this video has been beneficial to you. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.